Ramal Pharma. But let's get a technical check-in. Aditya Agarwala joins in to discuss what he's tracking this afternoon. Aditya, hi, welcome to the show. Well, it's overall a quiet day, but a lot of stock-specific action. So tell us, what's your strategy?
Hi, Ekta. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Manglam, as well. Clearly, it's a bit of a consolidation and a volatility within that consolidation that we're witnessing in the Nifty. Very surprising to see VIX at 13.5, 13 levels, and the kind of volatility we are seeing in the markets. Usually, we don't see this kind of volatility at a VIX reading of 13, 13.5. But surprisingly, we are seeing that kind of volatility in the market. And as Manglam pointed out, 17,900 on the upside is acting as a bit of a hurdle. But if I just go into the internals of the markets, take a look at the intraday charts of Nifty, looks like market is trying to form a base around 17,800, 17,700. And a dash towards 18,000 cannot be ruled out, which we had seen almost on the day of the budget. So once Nifty starts to trade beyond 18,000, that is where when I believe markets will see further leg on the upside. With a good strong support at 17,700, I believe there's a good case for a move at least till 18,000, and then beyond 18,000, 18,200, 300 is what I believe Nifty can test. Bank Nifty is something which is clearly missing the action, and 41,700, 41,800 Ekta is acting as a major hurdle at the moment, and we've seen banking underperform, especially after the Adani fiasco. Most of the banks have underperformed, which is why Bank Nifty is also underperforming. So till the time Bank Nifty crosses 41,700, 41,800, I would avoid trading in the Bank Nifty, but maybe a bit of a short covering in the Nifty cannot be ruled out.
Okay, so that is about the benchmark indices. Aditya, what would your individual technical picks be?
I've got a couple of buy recommendations. One is TVS Motors, which has done well for itself. It's broken out from a narrow consolidation. Volumes are pretty good here. On the upside, targets could be 1,100 with a stop loss at 1,000. One can go ahead and initiate fresh long positions in TVS Motors. The second stock recommendation is Siemens. Stock has been on a tear, continuously making higher highs, higher lows. In a market like this, I would like to stick to a stock which is making new highs. So Siemens is something which is looking very attractive on charts for targets of 3250. I could go long in the stock with a stop loss at 3,200 on the downside.
All right, Aditya, thank you so much for joining us. So that's a technical check on the markets as well. With that, we'll slip into a break. On the other side, Ramesh Kumar Dua, who is the MD at Relaxo Footwears, will be joining in to discuss their Q3 numbers. Stay tuned for that.